in AD 64 that there was a great fire in the city of Rome. Now, what caused the fire is the big question. The suspicion of the people at the time was that it was Nero himself set his own city on fire. 3/4 of the city was burned to the ground. Many people lost their lives. You imagine no good fire services coming out, blasting through traffic lights. Nothing like that. A primitive fabric, a primitive social fabric, and the 3/4 of the city was burned to the ground. And of course, one of the great sayings that has come from that is Nero fiddled while Rome burned. You've heard that, right? People even use it as a proverb today, that if something is happening and there should be care given, but the authorities are not giving that care, then it would even be said today, Nero fiddled while Rome burned. But literally, it was said that while the city of Rome was on fire, Nero literally was dancing to music. Some suspected that he set the fire in order to create a backdrop for a party that he was wanting to have, so that he could look at this beautiful red and orange glow in the sky, etc. That may not be true, but that was some of the thoughts of the people of Rome at the time. They were very suspicious of their own emperor.